build houses for the NPCs?
We should use Josh's house.
Do we want to build them up or down? I think up would be easier because then we wouldn't have to dig out everything.
Yeah.
Because I'm impatient.
We should get more clay, though. I should empty my inventory, actually.
Do we really want to make it out of brick or should we just make it out of wood?
I don't know. Would be easier to get, I guess.
Ooh.
That's right, I have like 88 gold ore.
What is it we want their walling to be? Do we want to just make it out of like basic wood? They get the crap, we get the good stuff.
Yeah.
Do we want to build it on top of the house? Next to the house?
Maybe on top.
Okay.
Seems better.
Just that way it's all together.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god, I keep using my grappling hook on accident.
Die. Stupid zombie. There's a zombie on my lawn. There's a zombie on me.
I have entirely too many, iron things.
You have too many what things?
Iron bars. So I would say.
Oh, hey, by the way, the way I did it, where are you? The way I did it, these chests up here are the ores.
Yeah. Awesome.
So. Ores and bars. Because there's not enough bars for their own box yet, so.
I just destroyed my goldfish helmet because I look stupider like this.
What are you wearing?
A gold helmet?
Oh, that's a gold helmet.
Mm-hmm.
Why'd you get rid of the fishbowl helmet, you dork?
I was tired of drowning and watching the fish go around.
Whispur, the zombie killer. Coming to a theater near you. Oh, we ran out of dirt. I'm sorry.
How do you run out of dirt?
Same way you run out of cobblestone.
Just called stone in this game.
Doesn't look like I care. Hey, look, I found more dirt.
Aw, the rat's making a little nest with the paper we gave her.
No.
Aw, little rat. Want a piece of grilled cheese? Get all the over. Hey, okay. Oh god, she's grabbed at it through the cage. Okay.
Now, can you...
Where should we?
Can you put acorns on just dirt? No, it has to be grass. Crap.
That's
Quit
weird.
knocking! We don't want any. We do not want to buy a box.
Whatever you're selling, I ain't buying. Oh, you didn't make a new axe for yourself yet?
This is a silver one.
No, I should make a silver.
Yeah.
Wait, that's right, I can't. I used all my ores.
There's ores in the box. I had 99. Oof.
Oh.
In fact, I kept finding more silver, but I couldn't pick it up, so I was like, I'm not even gonna mine it.
Wait, I wonder, can I make some of that? Dang it, I didn't mean to make the table. Or workbench.
Oh no, you made a workbench?
Herp.
Herp.
The herp.
It heard the dirt.
Should probably make a better hammer. Like an iron one at least.
Yeah. Yeah, I have an iron hammer as well.
Dang it, I got a broken iron hammer. Can I make another one?
I got a cane one. Wish wish half the time you could just, like, make, you know, just plain.
Mm-hmm. I got a massive iron hammer, so apparently it's a lot bigger. Oh god, it is. Oh man. Accidentally got rid of the... There we go. No, Steve, don't die.
Is that guy trying to kill himself?
Yep, zombie said. I close the door. I heard a star.
I did too.
It landed right outside the house.
I got it. Do you want it? Just gonna
Not
throw
really.
it in a chest. Jeez. Goodbye, forest. We knew ye well, sort of. Kind of.
Apparently, Ab is asking me about the American auto industry. Or not asking, apparently he's arguing with his dad. And he keeps telling me things, and I'm like, what? I'm not smart enough to know this crap.
I swear that kid is weird.
He's like 2 years or 3 years younger than you.
Still weird.
Not as weird as me.
You're the weirdest, yes.
Mm-hmm. Oh, at the, me and my mom were looking at the birthday cards in Walgreens and whatnot.
Uh-huh.
And my mom was, like, looking at the funny cards, like, for adults.
Yeah.
And for my grandma's birthday, she was like, oh, let's get this one. And I looked at it, and it had a picture of a donkey on the front of it. I forgot what it said on the front. And then on the inside it said, I'll get you this cheap-ass card.
Oh, God.
And she's like, oh, grandma's gonna love this. And I'm like, no. No.
Wow.
Yeah, my grandma's gonna, like, get so mad at her. She's gonna watch this video later on in her life. She's gonna be like, I wish I wouldn't have sent her that card. Miranda was right. Where'd Jesus go?
He left. He says he's still in a Skype call with Drew.
Probably having an orgy.
Huh?
Probably having an orgy.
You think everybody's always having an orgy, Mandy?
Are you having an orgy?
No!
Huh? Huh?
No!
Wow, why would you lie to me?
I, sir, am not lying. You're lying. To yourself. Hey!
So I'm not gonna hit you.
No, they didn't. They went around me, though. Whoa!
Damn it.
Get away from me! Cause baby, you're a firework.
I was just thinking of that.
Come on, show 'em what. Oh my god!
That was awesome. Oh, man. Yeah, I have no idea what the hell he's talking about. That's like foreign language to me.
What,
Then
talking
again,
about cars?
No, he's talking about like politics and whatnot. Like,
Yeah, I could care less about politics, too.
not like my dad. I was feeling my dad and Ab would just get along. Just
Same with people who like politics and my father. My
Yeah,
dad's
I
always like
think,
going
like-
on about how that's what's wrong with America. I'm like, Papa, I don't care.
you see this? You hold out your empty hand. There's so many fucks I give.
None. What are you doing, by the way?
Messaging people.
Oh. I thought you were chopping trees with me. Oh crap, I can't get up. Ow.
After telling me a bunch of things, I didn't say anything. He's like, well, forget about it. And I'm like, okay. I didn't say anything. Right.
Where'd the slime go?
I think I killed it.
Oh.
Look at this massive iron hammer.
Oh, it is bigger. Wow.
Oh, a 25-inch hammer.
You should have named your character Xavier then.
I didn't know how to spell it. I was going to.
I believe that's how you spell it. I had an Xavier in my music class. At school.
Yes.
I wonder how I get along with you so well. We are so different.
I sort of like wiggled into your life rather forcibly, like
Like a little worm.
not like a leech. I just like sucked your life out. Tastes good.